Isn't it simple?
Yeah, kind of.
Like an intermediate combination, just 2 moves, put back to back. A little bit of lady styling, a little bit of loops of the hands. So let's go. It's going to be a short one for you. So starting off, first we're just going to do a basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, I'm going to swing down. 1, 2, 3. Very important that I just keep the hands together, not separating like this. Now I'm going to back step. 5, looping around. 6 and 7, ending up like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? From here, I'm going to make sure that I'm nice and close. You don't want to do this when you're so far away. And we're going to do an open break. Now, the hard part about this one is, as I'm doing this turn, I want to do like this. 5, 6, and 7, and get out of the line. So, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm out of the line. From here, I'm going to go for an open break. 1, 2, 3, over the head. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Here, I'm going to let the hands slide back. 1, 2, 3, making sure you don't elbow the lady. And 5, 6, 7. I'm going to collect the hands. Coming down, 1, 2, 3. When I'm coming down, I want to guide her hands like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so one more time together. 1, 2, 3. From here, I'm going to glide down all the way. I'm just kidding. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. From here, we're just going to open up. Toss the hand. 5, 6, 7.